Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do your analysis on the boom and crash market and take profitable entries. Alright, so we are on boom 1000 right now, which is where I'll be showing you how to do your analysis. Alright, so currently this is the daily time frame. Alright, so what I come here to do is that I come to draw my trend line in order to get the direction of the market, right? In order to know the trend of the market, right? So currently, as you can see right now, we are in a bullish trend right now. We are in an uptrend, right? So all I will be looking for right now is a buy trade, alright? So you know that saying, that popular saying that always goes like follow the trend, right? So that is what I'll be showing you guys. Alright, so it's good you follow the trend, especially when you are starting out. Okay, so now let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on there. So here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that um, price is kind of heading up right now. You can see it's kind of heading up. So this is what I will do, right? I will only mark out the current zone, alright, the most recent support and resistance zone. I don't want to go too far, alright. I'm a scalper, so I will make use of the most recent structures, alright. So this is what I can spot here. This is what I can spot here. I'll connect this 2-week here, and then I'll connect the down one here. You can see this, guys. So after doing this, I'll head down to the 1-hour time frame. So here on the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly what price is doing now, right? So you can see clearly and how perfect this is looking here on the 1-hour time frame. Let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, nicely done. Now you can see the movement here. Price went up, found resistance, came down, went up again, found resistance there, came down, found support, and now you can see it made a little faked out here. Alright, went down as if it's going down, and then it still broke in again, and I can tell this is what's going to happen right now. I can see that price will come and retest, then continue to the upside, right? So what I'll be looking for right now is a buy entry, all right? But if it doesn't go that way, I will wait for it to break below our trend line here again, give it a retest, and then I'll buy to the downside. Either way, I'll prepare for it. So now let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. So here on the 30-minute time frame, this is what's going on. So in order to know that everything is giving a buying confirmation, I can still put some trend line here for better confirmation. So you can see how this is going. You can see that it has broken through our trend line here also. So it's just the retest now, which is trying to go on here now, and then we can take our buy entry. So let me show you another confirmation here again. Let me put something that will spice it up. So you can see that there is a little support and resistance zone here. When you are checking it from the support and resistance, aspect. So you can see this movement. This is a zone, right? It's not just a line. So you can see how price is reacting to this area here. Broke, retest, bounce up again. You can see the reaction. So from the reaction, you know that this is a very strong support and resistance zone right here, right? So I will also mark that out in order to have the confidence I need to take my entry whenever price gets to that area, right? So I'm just going to delete this line now. So you can see guys, this is what's happening here. So all that is left now is to wait for price to come to my zone here, where I'll be looking for my buying confirmation, and then I'll hold to this area here, this area there. Now let me show you how I will take the entry. Let's go to the 5 and 15 minute time frame. So now this is what I will do. There are two ways I'm going to go about this. One is either I go to the 5 minute time frame, and then I'm going to use the breakout strategy. Either mark the tip here, right, and then I'll wait for spike to break above it, right? Whenever I want to enter, whenever price spike break above this, then I'll take my entry. My stop loss is going to be below this, or I'll use this method for my entry. Now we know that it's going to go up, right? So I'm showing you how I personally take the entry. So that I draw a trend line here, right, and then whenever there is a spike, right, whenever there is a spike and it breaks above my trend line, I'll enter immediately. My stop loss is going to be below this, right? So this is how I personally take my entry based on this kind of stuff. And the advantage of taking entry like this is that you like, in terms of faked out, whenever it's trying to fake out, you will not be caught off in that kind of mess, right? Like whenever it goes down, that faked out shit will not, because you will be waiting for the break of structure here. So whenever it goes and do that stuff, you will not be in that mess, right? So that's just the advantage of that. So I hope you understand what I'm saying here, guys. Now we have done our analysis. All that is left now is to wait for price to come down to our zone. Then we use the most recent structure it make above here, right? The most recent structure is the one that we are going to use. Let's say price came down here and make another structure. This is the one that we are going to be using. Whenever it breaks above it, retest, and then you can buy to the upside, right? So that's pretty much everything on this one. And this is what I've got for you guys today. So if you get value from this video, make sure you hit the like button, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Silver out.